Here's a perfect example of well-maintained motorcycle can't prevent everything. And if you're putting one of these things together, this is a something you probably want to do before you put this whole bike together. This is Hard Rider Industries out of Queens, New York's FXR. It's a 93. Everything's done to this thing. Beautiful bike, immaculate, super clean. Just in for some general maintenance and some service work. And we came across this. The race for the inner primary bearing was all the way in. I already pulled it out, but it was all the way in up against the seal. Transmission was leaking. So what you want to do is make a sealed bearing that goes in here, and it's one piece. That bearing's got a smaller ID, and it just sits on the main shaft, and you eliminate this race. I'm sure a lot of people know about this, but also a little how I get it off. This is the tool to pull the race when it's properly spaced from the drive gear. But what I do is I just stack these 3/8 nuts so the flats are all together. Weld them up quick with the MIG. I already started to pull it off because it was in. There was no gap here. That gap that you're looking at, that gap there, was not there. So it already started pulling it out. Beautiful 93 FXR.